Hello gorgeous people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here filming a week in the life vlog and I am laughing because this is the second or third week that I'm trying to record this vlog for you guys. But nonetheless, I am here and I'm keeping this camera with me all throughout the week so I can make sure I'm vlogging. But it is Monday. We are about to go do our morning routine, go for a walk, get things moving and then get stuck into a day of work because this morning we actually launched a new workshop. Sorry if you can hear Poppy scratching the door in the background. We have a painter here and she's trying to get out to go and attack him. She's just so tough, you know. But anyway, we're gonna go do that, get stuck into some work, and then yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Here we go, happy Monday. Oh no, my window's locked. I know I have to open the door myself.
Hello.
Happy Monday. What have we got here?
You got a passion fruit iced tea.
Oh, cheers! Passion fruit iced tea, it slaps. Queen life. I sit in the car, I listen to music, I wait for my Annies. That's a good start to the year. Good start to Monday. I have a guest speaking training tonight for a network marketing company and unfortunately we have no internet right now. I cancelled the one we are currently with because they were just shocking, cutting out 24/7 and not fixing it. So we are now with a different company. We have to wait till they can set it up in like a week and a half. So Tom actually booked me into a hotel for the night, which is fun, to do the training, and I'm gonna hang by the pool, go out for dinner with Tom. Hello. Do you speak?
No.
And yeah, we'll bring you guys along, and I have the guest speaking in about
2 and a bit hours.
2 and a bit hours. So let's go. It's very nice. Something about me is that I really, really hate elevators. So, have you pressed something?
I did.
I get a little bit aggy in elevators, guys. You haven't pressed anything? I remember this time that I had to go with Jade in the elevator. She was like, chill, we're gonna be okay. We're almost there. I'm one of those influencers. Oh, she's a bit cute. This is where I'll be doing my webinar from. There's the view, not bad for one night. Okay, I am ready for, I guess, speaking. Let's do it. To do while I'm on the training. What are you doing right now? Thank you so much for having me. Oh my gosh, guys, what an incredible start to the event. A lot of what I'm saying today may be very, very new to you, and that is okay. That is okay. And social media has changed. Gone are the days of just putting up a sales post of essential oil or a skincare product and people going, I want that. Oh, very nice. You want to What? Thank you so much. Tea is secured. Now we're going back to the hotel room to get some work done. Well, I'm working. Apparently someone is going to be laying on the bed. So that's what he does apparently. But we've got nice tea, now I'm going to go work. Wednesday, so as you guys saw in the clip before, for like 2 seconds I know, we had our weekly Q&A coaching call for our clients in network marketing school, and then went and did our morning routine. Then I went and got a little bit of like a fun blow dry, and I'm working smarter, not harder on Wednesdays, because Wednesdays is the day that I record. So I'll do like reels, ads, reviews, anything I need to do where I'm recording and showing my face. I thought I'd go get my hair done, and my normal hairdressing salon now does a weekly membership, which is so cool, where you can get your hair blow dried however you want for only $25, and it's a tax deduction, which I just freaking love that. So I booked in for that every single Wednesday morning, and then I'll come home and do recording. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm gonna record a couple ads, couple reels, do some stories for our new workshop, and then yeah, go to the gym. I'm gonna go see Lord. So fucking looks amazing.
Simple.
Should we sit over here?
What type of diet are you on? Because I'm a creator. Guys, which filter should I choose? Ooh, it's giving the vibe.
I actually really like that.
It's giving the vibe. Let's save and share and tag them.
We are
Blurry. There we go.
I'll pull the face, you make the sounds.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
But you have to do it first and then do it again.
Yeah.
Okay.
You watching?
Yeah. Ooh. Okay. 3, 2, 1. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, go.
3, 2, 1.
I was thinking. Alright, ready?
Alright, go. Oh, fuck, I'm gonna be loud. I'm gonna be loud.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Three, two, one.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Happy Wednesday.
Fucking Tuesday.
Hey! I don't think you can swear on YouTube.
I'll do what the fuck I want.
Okay, again, happy Tuesday. Today is the day that we have our cleaner come. So I usually would go to the chiropractor, go do our grocery shopping, and then go home to a lovely clean house, which is my favorite. And then, yeah, go home and work. So I'll bring you guys along, but the first stop is the chiropractor, which is one of my favorite times of the week. So yeah, let's go.
Oh, Lorenzo. Oh, well, that's the end of Monday night.
Nah. You guys are basically part of our morning routine, which we do every single day. Okay, I've been to the gym, and the joys of running your own business is that we've got no internet currently. So I'm going to the library. I've got my laptop, and I'm just going to sit in here for about half an hour uploading videos so that I can go home. no, the joys. It is, I'm very lucky, so I don't mind. Crack me up. Oh, this is so pretty. Going for a swim, I'm going for a swim. Check the Crocs.
Oh yeah.
Looking good.
Hi, fat ass. Ooh, girl. Oh my goodness. What in the OnlyFans is that? How do I... There we go. Oh, this is stunning. Oh, we love it. And just swinging around.
We were just walking up the rocks to get up to where we're going for a swim right now. And Stumble said, beautiful day, isn't it, to somebody? Yeah. And he went, yeah. A little bit of hesitation. Yeah. Why? Because apparently up here somewhere, there's a dick swinging around. Yeah. That's what he said.
Me and Rachel are trying to guess how many inches we're going to be confronted with. And I said, surely it would be just above average.
If you're
swinging it out in public, at least 6.5 inches.
100%. So we're bracing for... Yeah. I was going to say bracing for impact, but that sounds really wrong.
Yeah, no, that sounds actually perfect.
Does it? No. Bracing for impact on the eyes.
Yeah.
Anyway, going for a swim.
I am at our spot.
Oh no, we're going to a different spot. I'm low-key puffed out, but it is really hot.
Yeah,
it is a hot day. If you're not from Cairns, you don't get it.
But it's even better because the more we sweat, the more we feel hot, the more we want to jump in the cold.
True, that's so true. Yeah. All right, we'll show you what spot we choose in a second.
Bitch, I'm fucking sweating my tits off.
Actual. That's going in the video.
Oh, this will be the thumbnail. Went on a hike, saw the fattest ass. That will get you clickbait.
Dan, do you reckon that could go viral? Click this to see the fattest ass in Australia.
Oh wait, or it's like
Pat, like P-H-A-T.
Yeah, found fattest ass, bushwalking sort of vibe.
Oh, came across a fat ass on my bushwalk.
Yeah.
Wow. Who's that? Ready? Say hi.
Hello. My turn.
Say hello, I'm a cutie patootie. Blow a kiss, go mwah. Mwah.
That is you.
How many readers do you get?
It's been breached.
How many readers?
Rachel got one.
Yeah, one. You've had about 6.
Back me up here.
Yeah, about 6 sorry. Rocky say.
Why? Yeah.
Yep. Fucking just dump them on me, mate.
Ow! I really hurt my ankle.
Cheetah.
Look at 2 cards.
Cheetah.
You remember 2
Cheetah.
cards?
Mad dog.
No?
Cheetah. Where's we broke up.
Any 2 cards.
Kitties.
Hello. This bitch is ignoring me.
We're gonna win because we are here.
Yeah? Yay, nay, thumbs up, thumbs down. Hey? Twinning them at the Taipans game. Twinning them.
24 carers in 2025.
With the most 7 assists, bringing the strong arms, Taryn Armstrong.
How are we feeling?
Fucking just.
We're stressed. We are stressed.
We've got the $22 tickets.
We're getting bummed.
Pick up your game type there. No. It looks so good. So that would be the chicken tendies, right?
Maybe chicken tenders.
Tenders with some fries. In our slutty era.
It's gonna be in everything, eh?
So cute. People are going to know me more than they know you.
Oh, look at that.
Some people don't.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Yum. That was pretty good. I should call him.
Now eat it.
Stop.
Eat it.
Stop it. Stop it. I'm working late.
What do you want? Ugh.
Did you get it or did she
She ruined it.
ruin
What are you going to do about it?
Three in the water? I don't know.
Really?
Do it, Tom.
Go
We're
on.
going to throw this in the water.
So cute.
Better when you're not.
Me and my bitches. Come on, bitches.
And they're following too.
I'm walking to how far she gets.
She's so fucking cute.
Look, I want an Instagram boyfriend.
Where is
Look at
he?
this king.
Oh,
Look
we
at that king.
love a king.
I love that.
Oh, he loves her so much. Blessed. Look at that.
On blessings. That was beautiful.
Blessed, never stressed. Not true, but definitely blessed.
Definitely blessed.
Sorry, the milkshake is just 2 scoops. Oh, yeah. I'll get a milkshake, please. I take away. Do you prefer lactose?
Baddie's gonna try the Ferris wheel. How you feeling, Baddie?
I'm good. I think the only thing that's a bit nerve-wracking is the fact that there's lightning
Oh,
currently out over the ocean.
and that's okay. Oh, cool. Thank you.
That's so cute. Thank you. We are up in the Ferris wheel,
We have gone up a level in life.
but there is a lightning show happening over here, so
Yes.
hopefully I can capture it. And
Yeah.
my lovely brother-in-law just sent me screenshots of the fact that people die on Ferris wheels.
But that's not us because we're baddies.
Oh, did you see that?
You don't look ashamed, and baby, I'm not scared. I'm singing